Hey people, keeping by the reviews that I give for some of these shows on Netflix, there's this Japanese program called Ainori. It's Ainori. I mean, you all might my viewers might be amused that I tend to watch Japanese shows because, like I said, there is this Japanese organization called Happy Science, which is I mean, it's like the Isha Yoga of Japan, you know. So, and I'm really keen to be a part of it someday. So that's why I want to learn a bit of Japanese. And yeah, Japanese people are so soft and sweet, and it's it's one of the finest people I've ever met have been Japanese, you know. So anyway, so this program is called Ainori, and it's a travel show, travel come love show. I mean, as in, they take these 7 young people on a bus tour across. Right now on Netflix, it is Africa they are traveling, and last time it was Southeast Asia, and then in between they travel through India and Nepal and all also. So this group of 7 people, 4 guys and 3 girls, and through their journey, it's like cameras have been put up within the little van that they travel in, and they have these whole set of experiences in Africa and this thing, and the whole process is that they should find love. This is so sweet. You all should try and watch it. It's called Ainori, Ainori, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.